Welcome again to our YouTube channel, Soaring Together. We are still here in Tennessee. We're hooked up here at our son and daughter-in-law's house. And while we're home, Ricky is doing some maintenance on the truck. So today he drove the truck over to my brother's in Paris, Tennessee. My brother has a shop, so it's very convenient to do the oil change. I believe he changed the rear end oil also this time, and he's putting some new lights on the truck.
But you realize how much money I mean, it costs a lot, but you realize how much money you're saving by doing this yourself? What are you doing? Jeez.
We are in Paris at my brother's shop, and Ricky is putting new lights. He has this side all completed. New lights at the bottom of the truck. And my job is to open the box, and there are 3 wires, and I have to, the wires look like this, and for them to slip over this blue thing, I have to just barely mash the wire a little to make it slide down in that tube. So I use these gadgets and just mash it and make it look like this. And there's 20 lights, 10 on each side. So he has completed this side, except for that light. We didn't order a new one for it. It's a smaller the other side before we change them. They look like this. So you can see that some of them have faded, and like I said, the new ones are LED. So I'm sitting here on this little craftsman stool doing my job. Getting the filters changed.
Dark days couldn't see my future staring right in front of me. I used to lay low, thought I could make it on my own. Back, take me back. Forgot all of the love, everything I had. It's time to let it go. All that I've ever known.
We hope that you have subscribed to our channel, and if so, please hit the notification bell so you will be notified each time we post a new video. And follow along with our journey as we are soaring together.
If you feel alright, put your hands up, put your hands up.